Okay, now that we're in SAM, we're going to go ahead and navigate on the left-hand side to the contacts section. Now, the last way that we can import a contact into SAM is one of my favorites. This is a really cool one. And this is something that is currently specific to SAM as far as I know. Let's say we are prospecting a lead or we're working with someone and we just happen to search up their details in, say, a social media account like LinkedIn. So right now, here's my LinkedIn, and I, could click on my profile. I can learn about the different job titles that I have, but I can also click contact information, and I can grab all of the different contact information I have here. Now, going back inside of SAM with the different contact information, perhaps it's on LinkedIn, perhaps it's on a website, or just somewhere that you found their information. On the right-hand side, those three stacked bars again, we can click Import Single Contact using AI. Now, it's going to bring up a text field that we can go ahead and click into, and we can paste all the information we know that we were able to find. Now, this is just the LinkedIn information, but from here, what I am able to do is I click OK, and Sam's going to go ahead and read all this information, and it's going to start importing it based on what it knows, what it thinks it is, and it's going to put it in the proper field. So this is a really cool way that you can add single one-off information that you've gathered from websites, from social media, or that perhaps you just have in a lead form that you gathered from leads inside of your website. So I really enjoy this one, and I just wanted to draw attention to it.